In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Outcome Memories on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to play Outcome Memories on any mobile device, so download Roblox from the Play Store or the App Store. Use the search function and look for Outcome Memories. It should be the first result to pop up, and you will see it here. You might find a bunch of different experiences, but I'm gonna be focusing on this one that appeared at the top. This is going to be the official, or rather most popular one, because it has 20,000 active members and a lot of visits. So as you can see, almost 100 million. You can browse through the description. Let's see if I can make a private server. And you can join the experience. So I'm just going to check if I can make a private server, but otherwise you can just go ahead and join a public one. So I'm going to make a free one for demonstration purposes. After you create your server or you join a public one, you will be able to play. So after you join, you can start playing. Now, of course, because I am on a private server, there isn't anyone, so the game is just waiting for active or more players to start. But if you are in a populated server, it should start right away. You have some options here at the left, so you can go into the settings and change some keybinds, the option to sprint toggle, and so on. You can buy new characters at the left, so you can see the characters that you own, for example, 2011X, and you will have these survivors. All of them will be available here. You can purchase different skins, different customization options, and so on. The game can be played on mobile, although it seems like the UI is a little bit glitchy. So browse through your inventory, through the survivors, through the EXEs that you have, and once you are ready and you join a full server, the game should begin automatically. So I hope I was able to help you on how to join and play Outcome Memories. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.